If you are looking to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick, you need to do it the right way. Most people install the wrong version or use bad settings, which leads to buffering and crashing. In this video, I will walk you through the correct installation process, and I will share the exact setup I use to watch 4K live sports and movies without any interruptions. Step 1. First, go to the Find menu on your Firestick home screen. Search for Downloader and install the Orange app. Step 2. Before we use it, we need to authorize your device. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV and choose About. Scroll down to the name Fire TV Stick and click the center button on your remote 7 times. Keep clicking until you see a notification that says you are now a developer. Step 3. Go back one step. Open the new Developer Options menu and make sure to turn on Install Unknown Apps for the Downloader app. Step 4. Now open Downloader. In the URL box, type this official direct 623418. Click Go. This will download the latest ad-free version of the Smarter Pro Player. Once it finishes, click Install and then open the important part. Now, please listen carefully. The app you just installed is simply a player. It comes empty. To get the best experience, you need a high-performance server connection. Using free or cheap lists is the main reason for freezing and black screens. For a flawless experience, I personally use and recommend GNX IPTV is optimized specifically for this app. They offer true 4K resolution, anti-freeze stability, and 24/7 support via WhatsApp. Simply go to genxiptv.com, get your access details, and enter them in the app using the Login with Extreme Codes option.